Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Mysore location. It is from Karnataka. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Next one, there are vacancies available for the junior accounts executive, field sales executive and mail helper. So it is located in Vijayanagar 3rd stage near Royal Concord School. So firstly, for junior accounts executive position, female graduate is preferred and one year of experience in tally is required. So for field executive, like field sales executive position, male graduate is required, and for male helper, for loading and unloading goods are required. So for more detailed information, you can contact them with the given phone number. Next one, there are openings available from the Bhagya Jyoti School located in Mysore. So they have vacancies for the teachers for the following subjects such as English and Social and PCM. So for each of them one vacancy is available. So above said posts are for English medium high school. So interested candidates can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information. Next one, there are openings available for office administration or sales executive. So it is for male candidates. So with good communication skills and basic computer knowledge is required. So minimum qualification will be PUC or degree, and age should be between 20 to 25 years, and you are going to get 13,000 to 16,000 rupees per month and along with the perks. So so it is from Madhu's Tie Center located in Mysore. Openings available from the Andalus English School affiliated to Karnataka State Board, so located in Mysore. So they have vacancies for the teaching staff for the following subjects such as Social, Mayor, Kannada and Hindi, PCM Mathematics, and so computer science, PGDCA, and Urdu teacher, ALIM, and also PUC or DED for English medium. So these are the qualification details for the following subjects. So please go through with that, and interested candidates can send your resume to the provided mail ID, and you can also check here with the address details. One, there are openings for the male DTP operators second shift. So experienced in English and Kannada, the candidate must be well versed in PageMaker, Adobe InDesign, CorelDRAW, Photoshop, photo scanning, color separation, and should have good typing speed. So walk-in interview with the passport size photograph between 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. So interested candidates need to submit your application along with your passport size photograph in the interview between 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. So you can check here with the address details. One, there are vacancies available for academic counselor position. Qualification will be MBA or BBM with 2 to 3 years of experience is required in academic counseling with excellent communication skills to market UGC approved online BCA or MCA or BBM or MBA programs. So interested candidates can send your resume to the provided mail ID, or else you can send your resume to the provided WhatsApp number. One, there are openings available for system administrator and also customer relationship executive position. So it is for a well-known manufacturing industry in Hood Gully industrial area. So they requires the candidates for the following positions. So firstly, for system administrator position, qualification will be degree or diploma and having 3 years of experience in relevant field, and it is for only male candidates. And the second one, for customer relation of executive position, any degree is the qualification, and should be having 3 years of experience in relevant field, so it is for only female candidates. So the candidates should be having fluency in English and also good communication skills. So interested candidates can forward the resume to the provided mail ID. One, there are openings available for accounts executive position. So it is for either male and female candidates. Qualification will be BCom graduate with the tally knowledge is required, and also 1 to 2 years of experience is required. So you need to apply or mail to the, so you need to apply to these positions to the provided mail ID, or else you can apply to the provided address details. One, there is a job opening for marketing manager position. So it is for either experienced or freshers. So both candidates are eligible to apply. So Malayalam or Tamil speaking is must. So interested candidates can also approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information. Next one, there are vacancies available for data entry operator position. Skills will be typing. Net speed will be 25 WPM with 90% accuracy and knowledge of MS Excel. So for this position, qualification will be PUC diploma. Any graduation is required. So salary will be 7,000 to 18,000 rupees per month. So interview timings will be 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So it will be the address. So it will be the address details. So please check with this, and you can also approach them with the given contact numbers for more detailed information. Next one, there are vacancies for delivery boys. So attractive salary you are going to get, and along with the incentives. So for more detailed information, you can approach them with the given phone numbers. Next one, there are vacancies for pharmacy aid job. So they required experienced with the computer knowledge for a new medical shop. So interested candidates, you can call to the provided phone number for detailed information. Next one, there are vacancies for the accountant position. So MCOM or BCom graduates with minimum experience of 6 years, having proficiency in tally and statutory compliances. So interested candidates can send a resume to the provided mail ID, that is info at ji or sm.com, and you can also contact them with the given phone numbers for detailed information. Next one, there are openings for telecallers or financial planner. So it is for female candidates. So it and they have vacancies for also office work for female candidates. So you can earn up to 8,000 to 15,000 rupees per month, and along with the incentives. And they have also vacancies for the male data survey position. So it will be the field work, and for this position you can earn up to 15 to 20,000 rupees per month. So it is all from MR Associates, Saraswatipuram location, so Mysore. So for more detailed information, you can contact them with the given phone number. Next one, there are openings for boys or girls ready to work. It will be either full time or part time. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number for detailed information about this notification. One, there are vacancies for accounts department, diploma and a tool maker, wire cut operator, sparking machine operator, DRO machine operator. So for accounts department, female candidates are required, and up to 3 years of experience is required. And for DRO machine operator position, experience will be 3 to 5 years, and salary will be 20,000 to 25,000 rupees per month with ESI and PF benefits are also available. So interested candidates, you may contact with the given phone numbers for more detailed information about this job notification. One, there are openings for CNC and VMC operator and also helper positions. Firstly, for CNC and VMC operator position, qualification will be BE, MTech, diploma in mechanical or ITI, and also 3 years of experience is required. And for helper position, qualification will be SSLC or PUC. So interested candidates can contact with the given phone number for more detailed information. One, there are vacancies available for female banking collections and telecallers. It is for experienced. So interested candidates can approach them with the given contact numbers. Next one, there are vacancies for computer faculty. So 1 to 2 years of experience is required for these positions, and also knowledge of MS Office, Tally, and C++ programming languages. And also they have vacancies for desktop service engineer. So with 1 to 2 years of experience is required for this position. So interested candidates can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this job notification. Next one, there are vacancies available from the Bhaskar Hot Center. So they have vacancies for the following positions such as receptionist, marketing or PRO. So it is for male, and also for staff nurses, laboratory technician, and also pharma assistant. For staff nurses, female candidates are preferred. So you can also check with the qualification details for the respective positions. So interested candidates, you may contact them with the given phone numbers for more detailed information. Next one, there are vacancies available for office assistant cum computer operator position. So you are going to get attractive salary, yes, and EPF benefits. So you can check with the address details and also with the contact numbers. So timings will be 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.